Chrome Black Early Bird 11300. Dice roll 10 times on the dice. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The A's up top, the Brewers at the bottom. And 10 times now on your names. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 here, 10 here. David up top. Darren at the bottom. We'll sort them out, guys. 11300. The Chrome Black Early Bird. Good luck, gentlemen. And there's your teams. Let's rip. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Chrome Black. We have Ketel Marte, Butler, Christian Moore, 199, Cal Raleigh. Seattle Mariners and Shane Higgins on the Cal. Gold rookie, Trey Savage. Nice one for Toronto. And Rocky Williams. There you go, Rocky. Nice card there. Gold of Savage for the Toronto Blue Jays. On our autograph here, base ink, Colorado Rockies, going to be Charlie Blackmon. Nice one there for Colorado, John Henry. Again, Raleigh to 199, Savage to 50, and Charlie Blackmon on the base auto. That is the break, guys. Chrome Black Early Bird. Another one in the box. Appreciate the fill as always. Again, guys, need your help. Pop on the website. We got to keep grabbing our spots here.